Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel Naija News and Entertainment. Happening today, the internet is on fire as lady leaks bedroom video of Naira Marley on bed after sleeping with him. A young lady who allegedly spends the night having sex with controversial singer Naira Marley at a Dubai hotel has shared the video. Naira Marley is trending on social media as a video of him with a girl that he had reportedly slept with at a Burj Al Arab hotel in Dubai has been released by the girl. Recall that some hours ago, the singer revealed what he does to his wife. In his opinion, it is better than morning coffee. According to the Malian's president, he wakes his wife up with a sexy hard erection because that's better than morning coffee. So Malians, there you have it. That's your president in the news this weekend. So for new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drop. Stay tuned to this channel for more updates on entertainment and celebrity gossip going on around. Until next time, stay blessed.